my beautiful people, and welcome to day 3 of our Sculpting Pilates challenge. Today we're gonna work on some glutes, all right? So let's get right into it. Starting with our first exercise, 30 seconds, wide stance. Toes are out. We have a plie arm raise. All right, so as we plie, our arms come up, all the way up, and then coming back down as we straighten our legs. We have a nice straight back here. All right, push those shoulders away from your ears. Long, elegant neck. Posture is super important always when we are exercising. Everything's connected, so make sure you are, woo, hello, where am I going? Make sure you are conscious and moving with intention, all right? And your knees come out to the side. We want to avoid them caving in, all right? It's really bad for your joints, so make sure you're pushing them backwards, all right? If they're concaving forward a little bit, then maybe you're going a little bit too down, so just do a little plie, all right? You're still gonna reap the benefits. And 3, 2, 1, and there we go. Awesome job. Next, we have some hip openers, all right? Arms up to the side, in front of you on your hips, whatever makes you feel more comfortable. All right, and we are going to bring our knee up and around in nice fluid motion. All right, very good. As we keep our trunk forward. All right, and if you want to slow this down, slow it down. You're really gonna work your abs for balance, and then your bum. All right, as you open it to the side. All right, very good. But if you want to work on your hips a little bit more, which also helps work your bum, you can do it a little bit faster. Warm up and loosen up those hip flexors. So 2 different choices there for you. And 3, 2, 1, and shake it out. Very good. Next, we have a squat 2-side leg lift. Feet are hip width apart, toes forward. We're sitting in an invisible chair. Knees never pass our toes. All right, and then we're coming up, and then one side. All right, switching our weight so that we lift it up, coming back to center, squat, and then the other side. All right, break it down. Don't go too fast. Proper form is way more important than how many and how fast you do it. You're gonna work your muscles more if you slow down and break it down and engage your muscles and really work on proper form. And breathe. Very good. 1 more, and 3, 2, 1. Very good. Last but certainly not least, this one's fun. We're doing a warrior pulse to high knee. All right, so 1 foot's forward. All right, a little bend in that forward knee, so the back one's straight. And we're going to warrior pulse, so our arms come up as the back leg one comes up. Boom, and then you're gonna rock back, high knee. All right, step forward and repeat. And there we go. Breathing, all right? Doesn't have to go all the way up like mine. You can just start slow, start small. All right, test it out, few inches off until you find your balance, find your groove, find your flow, and then you can go a little bit more, a little bit faster. Very good. And 3, 2, 1, and come down. Very good. Switch. Let's go. Warrior pulse. Boom. Whoop. Find your balance. Coming back up. Awesome job. Take your time. Engage that core. Nice tight core. That's what's going to help you balance. It's what's going to help you move from position to position. You're doing great. Almost there. Breathe. And 3, 2, 1, and celebrate. 1 set done. Going right into our second set. Big breath. Starting with our plie arm raises, wide stance. Let's get it.
Subscribe now to see your next favorite workout.
And 3, 2, 1. Shake it off, very good. Hip openers, let's go. And 3, 2, 1. Shake it off, very good. Feet hip width apart. Squat to side leg lift, let's go. And 3, 2, 1, and release, very good. Warrior pulse to high knee, let's get it. And 3, 2, 1. Very good. Shake it out and switch. And 3, 2, 1. Awesome job. 2 sets done and dusted. One more to go. Starting with our plie arm raises, wide stance. Let's get it.
Subscribe today to see every workout as it drops.
And 3, 2, 1. Shake it off, very good. Hip openers, let's go. And 3, 2, 1. Shake it off, very good. Feet hip width apart. Squat to side leg lift, let's go. And 3, 2, 1, and release, very good. Warrior pulse to high knee, let's get it. And 3, 2, 1. Very good. Shake it out and switch. And 3, 2, 1. Together, release. And there we have it, my beautiful people. Day 3 in the books. I'm loving this challenge. I really hope you are too. All right, our Sculpting Pilates challenge, day 10. All right, 7 more days. I hope you're enjoying it. Let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you tomorrow, day 4 with Coach Greg.